Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online for another bite-sized Monday, where today we're going to be looking at moving items backwards and forwards. You see I've got a slide here with a plain white background, a little maroon box in the top right hand corner with some text. Now I want to add in a image for a background, so I'm going to add in this brick wall image. Now, so I'm making for the width of the whole width of the page, so it acts as a background. Now, the biggest problem is now, where's my text gone? It's at the back behind the image I've just inserted, because PowerPoint will always put the newly inserted images or content at the front, not at the back. So there's a couple of ways of sending this to the back. First one is make sure the content is selected, and then if I right click on the content, scroll down and you'll see bring to front, send to back. If I press on send to back, that will send that directly to the back of the screen. Or if I go to the arrow, there's the option of send to back or send backward. If I send backward, it will send it backwards by one step. So I've sent it backwards by one step. Now my title has become clear. So if I were to right click on this, scroll down to bring to front, send to back. If I click on send to back, that will send the image right to the back of the screen. Now, if I had pressed the little arrow beside send to back, I would have got the option to send to back or send backward. If I press send backward, it sends it back by one notch. Again, same with bringing it forward. If I press bring forward, it will bring it straight to the front. But if I press a little arrow, it will give you the option of bring to front or bring forward. So bringing forward, it'll bring it back by one notch. So if I press bring forward, you will notice the text disappears, but the header is still there. Because the way I inserted these contents was I inserted the header in first, then I inserted the text, and then I inserted the image. So at the moment now, the header is on top, the image is in the middle, and then the text is on the back. So again, if I were to bring that to bring forward again, the text, the header now disappears. Again, send it back and it all reappears. Now you can also do this from the home tab. So on the home tab, down under drawing section, you'll see a range, click on that, and then you'll see the options to bring to front, send to back, bring forward, send backward. Okay. Thanks for watching this today, guys and girls. If you have anything you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'd really appreciate it. Bye now.